Hey guys, another topic I want to tell you about is configuration management. It is simply an automated method of maintaining the state of your computer systems and softwares. There are several components in a configuration management system, which include servers, storages, networking, and software. The goal of a configuration management tool is to maintain these systems in known determined states. Another aspect of configuration management system is that you can describe the desired state of your system. And the third aspect is the use of automation software tools to ensure that target systems are maintained in the desired state. The primary benefit of configuration management is that your systems and softwares are always consistent. With configuration management, you can ensure that your configuration is correct because the configuration management system ensures that it is correct. It also allows you to scale your infrastructure and software system quite easily based on demand. Now, some common configuration management tools are Red Hat Ansible, Chef, Puppet, etc. Now, if you're already working in IT, you might have heard a similar term, change management. Configuration management and change management are two closely related but different terms. Configuration management deals with the state of any given infrastructure or software system at any given time. Change management deals with how you make changes to those configurations. Think of it this way. Configuration management is the configuration at any given time, for example, the various settings of an application, and change management is the process for proposing, reviewing, implementing, or potentially rolling back changes to those application settings or configurations. With this, we have come to the end of this lecture. Thank you for watching. Bye.